Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Don't delay. Once on your profile, tap your profile photo and select Edit Profile Photo. This is where control begins. Choose Upload Photo if replacing or use existing photo. Make sure you own the image and it's the one you want to restrict. Then look for the privacy selector next to the post or photo because that setting determines who sees the image. Do this now, so the next steps work from a known state. Now you change the audience. Click the Audience drop-down and pick Only Me for complete privacy or Custom to include specific people. This prevents friends of friends from seeing it. Once done, go to your timeline and open past profile photo posts. Change each post's audience to Only Me or delete the post altogether. Those posts can still reveal earlier images. Make sure to scan your activity log to catch any photos auto-shared when you updated the picture. Finish by verifying. Use View as to see your profile from the public perspective and test a specific friend's view to confirm the picture is hidden. If an older thumbnail still shows, clear cached data and sign out on other devices, then check again. Cache can persist visible images. If you still see the photo, audit third-party apps, synced albums, and shared posts that might have duplicated the image. Remove or restrict those. Troubleshoot with these steps until only your chosen audience sees the picture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.